it seems like a lot of the CIOs that I talk to and work with are still struggling with this pace of change, speed and agility. They're looking at ways to respond to customers' needs very quickly, finding ways to predict and adapt to what's happening in the marketplace, finding ways to support their board and their CEO and all of their agendas. And so often, even though they are trying to be proactive and to lead fairly difficult programs around emerging technology, they still find that some of the things that they work on are just lists of projects that people have given them to try to complete. So I love the concept of the triple bottom line. It's people, profit, and planet. And so it's about how you treat the people that work for you, how you use the profit that you make and affects the world broadly, and then obviously it's the planet. How are you working in a sustainable way and protecting the planet that we have? I love the idea that it is so inclusive, because a lot of times people have only focused on profit, and they've done that because they've had pressure to make sure that they're making the money that they need to make so that they can conform to what Wall Street needs, or conform to what their stockholders want, or conform to the numbers that they have to actually put out. But when you more broadly consider that the people that work for you need to be able to work in a sustainable way so they can bring the best version of themselves to work. The people that work for you need to feel like their voices are heard so that they can come up with new ideas and even go through some of this friction you were talking about. If I'm here and you're here and we're not alike, we can have creative abrasions to actually work with each other, and that creates collective genius, right? Mm-hmm. So people give you talent equity. So it's not just that it's good, it's smart. It's smart to actually look at not just your profit, but also your people. But now we're also seeing the emergence of a group of people who say, look, it's also not enough for you to do that. I want you to do this in a way that takes care of the planet, because I want to have something to leave to my children. I want to have a way to say that whatever I'm working hard for today is going to still be here tomorrow. And those are emotional motivators that you cannot ignore. So seeing that we see this big change happening in society where people are embracing ESG is exciting for me, because for me, the triple bottom line is where organizations need to be today.